drive with the reward of a nice view. Good morning guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to Redhill again. I've been itching to go back since the last time I've been there with the Suzuki Club. This time I'm going with my dad and Andrew. Andrew's got the Honda Jazz and my dad's got the Mini. We're just going to get some fuel quickly. I've got some fuel but not enough for all the shenanigans. So I'm just going to get that and then we off to Simonstown. Had the car washed yesterday, did some things with the bay, just neatened it up a bit. So I fixed up a leak around that cap. Yeah, it doesn't look great, but I'm just gonna make sure that it's not leaking, and then I'll darken that up somehow. Or just use a black silicone. I moved the plug lead wires away from the fuel line. Apparently that's not a good idea, so that's sorted. I moved the hose into my oil reservoir. I moved it a bit lower so that it wasn't going upward, so now it actually flows down, so that should be much more efficient. Hey, he's with us. Okay, so traffic says it's going to take us about 45 minutes to get there. There's the usual Muizenberg traffic, so I think we can go around Boys Drive, and that should be quicker. Just hit Boys Drive. Love this view. Bumpy ass road, but great view. I told Andrew to lead the pack up Redhill. It'll basically be the pace car so that I don't push too hard, because I tend to do that. And he's a man of the bends. He loves windy roads in a stock height, stock wheeled Jazz. Okay, so we are doing our first run. quite scary. So we just got to the top of the mountain. We just sort of just chilled a bit of a rest stop. Car needs to build some oil pressure because, yeah, as it does. A drive with the reward of a nice view. Going down. This is the scary part. The brakes on the Mark II is not all that. So we're just going to take it easy-ish. So many blind corners. If I hit a bump on the brakes, the car just like locks up. Oh, that turn is so tight. And another tight one. Very bumpy down here. Wow. Whoa. I don't know what that knocking sound is. Bit of rubbing down there. So we pulled off at the bottom of the mountain. Going down is not fun, but yeah, I mean it's good just to experience it. But going up is so much better, much smoother, thankfully, and you can really get on it and not have to destroy the brakes. I smell my brakes so much, but the car is looking good out here, because it's slightly downhill. It looks like it's sitting really nicely. So like I'm loving the height. Like the front is just a touch lower than the rear. I'm really happy with that. And I mean, no hectic rubbing or anything, so happy days. I think all of us have engine mount issues. My dad's got a bit of a rocking going on. Andrew has a side mount that's broken, and I've got probably all the mounts that's broken, so the engine is just flexing like mad. So we've been waiting around for a bit. You sort of have to wait for cars to clear. There's a car coming up now, but the nice thing about it is you can actually check up on the mountain to see where they are, so that you know when you can leave. We're basically just giving them a head start so that we're not running into each other on the mountain. goodness. That is, yeah, that's, what is that knocking? Weird. Whew, it is hot today. So it's much better when you're sort of leading, because you don't feel that pressure of trying to like keep up. But yeah, that was fun. So we are out. Just gonna cruise down. Maybe give the Datsun a bit of a head start, because he's going to be going down there really slowly.
Six hours later.
So we're going to check how much power the wagon makes on the dyno. The wagon made 106 kilowatts and I think 315 newtons at Dynotech in Brackenfell. That was about 2 years ago, I think, or maybe longer. But the car just doesn't feel as strong anymore. The head has since been changed, so I mean it could be because of that, but we'll see. I think it'll make it on like maybe 90 or so, and 260. So the car's way down on power. It seems that it's not boosting like it should. It should be at 1.4 bar, but it's sort of just like hanging around at 1. So that's why the car feels underpowered. I mean, the torque is still fairly decent, but yeah, the power is like basically stuck. Just disconnected the map to see if it's what it's gonna do. So Jamil just cleaned out the airflow meter, and suddenly it's making boost. What do you know? This car's probably been limping along for a long time now. I hardly drive it hard. So let's see what it makes. Let's feel these. Oh my word, this car feels so much better now. What's weird is that I actually didn't notice that the car was down 20 kilowatts, which is weird. I don't drive this car hard often, and when I do, I just sort of expect it to be slow. But yeah, it's feeling like it did before. I just need to get a new map just to make sure that it's all good. But yeah, flip, it's back in the game. We'll just do a pull up here. guys, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I just blew the engine.